Hi, good morning, good day. On my last video, I gave the guideline how to make the automatic pairing with this remote control for Fire TV stick. It is an automatic pairing, and on this video, I will teach you how to make pairing in the settings. If you already had the original remote control on your hand or other replacement remote on your hand. So I lost my original ones, but I have another one of the replacement. First, use this one to go to the settings. Okay. Let's go to controllers and the devices. Okay. I'm on Fire TV remote. This one already linked. I will add a new remote. I will confirm. And now I press the home button of this new remote. I press it. Okay. Blinking. Okay. Ready to pair. Searching. I need to use this one to confirm. Go back. I repeat it. Maybe it is already linked. It is already linked. Let me check. Yeah, it has 2. So now I'm using the new remote replacement of the Fire TV stick replacement. So this is another way, except the automatic pairing. It is another way of pairing manually. Go to the settings. Okay, thank you.